Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this magma eel in Fish It Roblox. So the magma eel is a new fish in the new location inside the volcanic cavern. This is a new area in Kohana volcano. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can get this rare fish. So as you know, as you see, I have already inside the volcanic cavern, and for the location, you can actually get it everywhere inside this volcanic cavern. But I got it in here in this location, and you can use your best rod and also bobber to get this one. And it also can be caught in any weather and also what is it? Any time and also any weather. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.